I'm Abida KN, an electronics and biomedical engineering student from Adi Shankara Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today I'm presenting my understanding of engineering ethics and sustainable development. This topic is very important because engineers are not just problem solvers, but also responsible decision makers who impact society and the environment. In this presentation, I'll be covering key concepts from ethics, environmental responsibility, water management, and sustainable technology and future engineering solutions. Module 1, the fundamentals of ethics. First, let us understand what ethics means. Ethics refer to the moral principles that guide our actions and decisions. In engineering, ethics ensures that we prioritize safety, honesty, and responsibility. There are two types of ethics: personal ethics, which come from our values and beliefs, and professional ethics, which are rules set by organization like IEEE. An engineer must always follow professional ethics, even if it conflicts with personal opinions. Important qualities of an ethical engineer include integrity, responsibility, diligence, and respect for others. For example, if an engineer finds a design flaw that can harm people, they must report it, even if it causes delays or losses. So, ethics ensures that engineering decisions are safe and beneficial to society. Next, we move to environmental ethics. Environmental ethics studies the relationship between human and nature. It asks an important question: should we use nature only for our benefit, or should we also protect it? There are three main approaches. First, anthropocentrism, which focuses only on human beliefs. Second one is the biocentrism, which values all living organisms. The last one is the ecocentrism, which values entire ecosystem, including non-living elements like rivers and soil. In today's world, ecocentrism is very important because it promotes balance in nature. Environmental ethics also leads to sustainable engineering. This means designing systems that reduce pollution, save resources, protect ecosystems. For example, using solar energy instead of fossil fuels helps reduce environmental damage. So, engineers must think beyond human needs and consider the impact on the entire planet. The module 3 is water, zero waste, and circular economy. Water is one of the most important resources for life. Hydrology is the study of water movement through the water cycle, which includes evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and runoff. Today, we face major problems like water scarcity, water pollution, floods due to poor planning. For example, urban floods happen because of improper drainage and construction over wetlands. To solve these issues, engineers use techniques like rainwater harvesting, groundwater recharge, wastewater recycling. Another important concept is zero waste. Zero waste aims to reduce waste generation using 5 R's. There are 5 R's in the refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover. For example, using reusable bags instead of plastic helps reduce waste. We also have the circular economy, which replaces the traditional system of use and throw with reuse and recycling. This helps in reducing environmental damage and conserving resources. The fourth module is renewable energy and climate change. Now let's discuss renewable energy and climate change. Climate change is mainly caused by greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane. These gases trap heat and lead to global warming. Its impact includes rising temperatures, floods and extreme weather, Sea level rise, health problem. For example, Kerala has experienced severe floods in recent years due to climate change. To solve this, engineers focus on renewable energy, solar energy, wind energy, hydropower, biomass. These sources are clean and reduce carbon emissions. Engineering solutions to climate change include three approaches. The first one is mitigation, reducing emissions. Second is adaptation, adjusting to climate changes. Third is resilience, building systems that can withstand disasters. Example include smart cities, electric vehicles, green buildings, rainwater harvesting systems. Engineering play a key role in creating a sustainable future. And the next one is case study. One important example is the Kochi Water Metro in Kerala. It is the world's first solar powered water transport system. This project reduces traffic congestion, uses clean energy, provides eco-friendly transportation. It shows how engineering and sustainability can work together to solve real-world problems. Personal reflection. Through this course, I realized that engineering is not only about technical knowledge but also about the ethical responsibility. Earlier, I used to think engineering is mainly about designing system and solving problems, but now I understand that every engineering decision has an impact on society and the environment. This subject changed my perspective and made me more aware of issues like environmental protection, sustainability, and ethical design making. I also understood that even small actions like reducing waste or conserving resources can contribute to a large positive impact. As a future engineer, I feel that it is my responsibility to ensure that my work does not harm people or nature. This course has helped me develop a more responsible and thoughtful mindset towards my profession. Next one is proposed future actions. Based on what I have learned, I would like to take several actions in the future. First, I will try to apply sustainable practices in my academic and professional projects, such as using eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient designs. I also aim to promote the use of renewable energy solution wherever possible. In addition, I will strictly follow ethical principles in my career, ensuring honesty, safety, and responsibility in all my work. I also plan to stay updated with new technologies that support sustainability and environmental protection. Overall, I want to contribute as an engineer who not only focuses on innovation but also prioritize in the well-being of society and the environment. To conclude, engineering ethics and sustainable development are essential for building a better future. Engineers must not only focus on innovation but also on responsible towards society and the environment. By following ethical practices and sustainable methods, we can create a world that is safe, balanced, and environmentally friendly for future generation. Thank you.